Hello everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Today we're going to talk about a very essential topic that should be in our tool chest of great options to employ in our keto diet, and it's the concept of routine, staying on a consistent routine with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And before we discuss this, I'd like to invite everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the icon below this video. That would enable me to continue providing you these excellent videos of value and content to enhance your journey on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Now, adapting the ketogenic way of life is not only about eating the right foods, everybody, but it also requires a change of habits and mindset. This change often requires consistent action, which can be challenging to maintain with the varying schedules and busy lifestyle that we have. Establishing routines can help in automating positive habits and routines that make up the ketogenic lifestyle. Doing so can improve your chances of success in achieving optimal weight loss and overall health. In this video, we will delve into the importance of establishing routines and how it can be effective as a tool for embracing the ketogenic lifestyle. First off, I want to emphasize the importance of creating structure and discipline with your keto. Establishing routines and daily life provides a sense of structure and discipline that can be helpful in reaching your short and long-term goals. By creating a routine, you'll know what to expect and can plan your day around it. This helps to avoid giving in to temptations such as unhealthy food choices or skipping exercise, as you have already planned and prioritized your time. So always think ahead and provide yourself sufficient structure and discipline. The consistency is the key. Consistency, implementing and maintaining a routine that aligns with your ketogenic lifestyle can help your body adapt to the changes required. When you make a habit out of something, it becomes second nature, and you are more likely to sustain the practice. For instance, incorporating a steady sleep schedule, cooking meals at specific times, and working out on a regular basis will enable your body to adjust to this new regimen. Putting in the effort of starting and sticking to a routine is really critical, as it leads to long-term results that are positive. Now, let's talk about time saving that reduces stress. Establishing routines can help you save time and reduce stress that comes from planning and executing for each day. By creating a routine and having predetermined tasks, you spend less time worrying about what needs to be done and more time executing effectively. This is a significant advantage, especially when living a busy lifestyle while trying to maintain the ketogenic lifestyle. Cooking meals in bulk, setting aside time for exercise, and tracking progress can significantly reduce the stress that comes with juggling multiple tasks and roles. Now, keeping structured in a routine can help build self-accountability and confidence. Being accountable for your actions leads to self-confidence and a sense of accomplishment. When you take personal responsibility for maintaining routines, you build the confidence and motivation to stick to your lifestyle. Establishing routines provides an opportunity to enjoy small successes that come with every small positive change. In the long term, the mindset shift creates a positive outlook on life, resulting in overall happiness and improved well-being. Also, keeping to a daily structure and routine helps strengthen relationships. Embracing the ketogenic lifestyle may require support from others, whether it be friends, family members, or the community. By establishing a structured routine, you can create a routine of working with accountability partners who can support your journey. This can include workout buddies, a meal prep partner, or even just someone to share progress and encourage each other. Having someone by your side to share the journey can make all the difference in the world, and establishing routines to support this can ensure that the relationships remain strong and motivating. So in conclusion, the ketogenic lifestyle and diet does require discipline, consistency, and I underline that word, and effort. Establishing routines can help build these pillars and make the transition to the ketogenic lifestyle and diet more sustainable. That's what you're looking for. By creating daily routines that automate positive behaviors, you can experience notable progress and positive changes. The benefits of a structured routine go beyond just weight loss. They lead to an improved mindset, reduced stress, and overall well-being. Therefore, it's critical to establish and embrace routines that can support your ketogenic lifestyle and experience the numerous positive benefits thereof. So there you go. If you have any questions or comments about what I discussed today, please provide them below this video. And again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would be very grateful if you did. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.